Kaspa at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a pullback to the downside, and this is after getting some positive price action for the past few days, and that was after we continued to hold within our Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.07239 and the 0.08962, which is that yellow target area. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the price action that I expect on the short term here on the Kaspa chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 22nd of June, I have been observing these 1-2 setup to the upside, where you can see that we first picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave. Then we started a bit of a slight pullback to the downside in the formation of this second wave, and the minimum target areas for that second wave were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1. And on so doing, you can see that my target area is between the fib level 0.5 all the way to the 7.8, and that is between the 0.07294 and the 0.08971, and that is the yellow target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there's a very high chance that the low is in the formation of that second wave, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of this larger wave 3. And assuming that the low is in, then using the fib extension, connecting it from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high we made in the formation of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave, we can get the minimum target areas for that third wave on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.1678, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. Expect a short-term pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that fifth wave. And for us to get a confirmation that the low is in the formation of this first wave, that is the second wave, I need to get a 5-wave structure to the upside from the lows. And the moment we get that 5-wave structure, that needs to be followed by a 3-wave corrective structure to the downside that should continue holding within Fibonacci key areas of support, and then give us a reversal to the upper side in the next coming days. But if by any chance we don't see a 5-wave structure to the upside followed by a 3-wave corrective structure, that means that we still don't have a low in place in the formation of that second wave, and that puts Kaspa at a risk of getting one more new low within this yellow target area before we can get our reversal to the upper side. And that case scenario will also get invalidated in case we get an impulsive breakdown move that gives us a break out of this yellow target area to the downside. If that plays out, then I will be watching for a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June. If that plays out, then we need to be a little bit cautious, because things can get a little bit more aggressive to the downside, and maybe we test support once again above the 0.05 in the next coming days. So that is the roadmap that I expect Kaspa to follow. And I have also shared with you the key area of support that we need to continue holding within between the 0.08962 and the 0.07239. So for now, let's be patient and continue paying attention to those areas, and I will ensure that I keep you up to date.